Hello everyone, how are you all? So today's videos is about who want to apply in Germany directly for work visas. So for work visa, it is necessary that you have a certificate of evaluation that will provide you a certificate, an equivalence that your foreign education is equivalent to German education. So for this, you need to apply for the certificate of evaluation. The certificate of evaluation uh, is in two forms. One as a larger, and second one is in the short form. This will help you for your employer or the employment agency that your education is equivalent to German qualification. And here are the purpose why qualifications are required. And for which this qualification can be issued. So the certificate of evaluation is only issued for the university degrees, but not for colleges or schools. But there are certain occupations like medicine and teacher. These are the regulated professions in Germany. It means that for these professions that who want to practice as a doctor, as a pharmacist, or as a teacher, then this certificate evaluation is not the right evaluation for them. For these two professions, they need the recognition, and for the recognition, it depends on every state. So that what, and it's different for different states, and criteria is different. So for these two professions, all other professions mostly non-regulated, it means that you can apply directly in Germany to the employer, and if an employer want to hire you, then this certificate evaluation is a right thing for you. So now consider what are the application fees for certificate evaluation. So certificate evaluation has a fee of about 200 euros. Means if you want to evaluate your bachelor's degree, then you have to pay 200 euros. And if you want to apply or want to evaluate another degree like master's degree or any duplicate, or you have lost your previous certificate of evaluation, then you have to pay 100 euros for each one of this. So how you apply for this one? You have to first send all your documents with the applications and the fee. The fee can only be transferred by bank, and if the payment is received by the department, then they will send you a payment of confirmation. So next step is what documents you have to fulfill, or you have to send to the department for the evaluation. So for this you have to go for the document for the applications. Then select your country. I am from Pakistan, so I just select for Pakistan. So it will give you the list that you the document that you have to provide with your application. At this time it is not translated, but you can translate this one, or it can be automatically translated by this, but at this time I think there is some error on it. So it's easy that you just need your document, which HSC attestation, your bachelor's or other higher secondary school certificate, the mark sheets, and some the information given. It's very easy. Now comes to about why how you can apply for certificate evaluation. So for this you have to go to Yes Antrag stellen. You have to click on them. So there is the documents, general documents that you have to provide for this one, and for there is application form, completed web form, and you have this must be in the PDF format. Sign this form and enclose all your documents according to the requirement or the country's requirement, and you have to also submit your fees. So the next thing is how to fill the application form. So for the application form, first all are just general information, your personal information. Then you have to mention your surname, your first name, and then date of birth, country, place of birth. If you have address in Germany, then mention, otherwise not, your email address, your postal code, your mobile number, and then university of qualification to be assessed. It means please enter the information as it appears on the original certificate. Designations do not Latin script. It means graduation title, that if you have completed your graduation, like if you have done electrical bachelor, then it is either BSc or BE. Then you have mentioned the title over here. Statement, the degree was 10, your country, their course of study, then specialization, then you have done bachelor's, then you have mentioned their bachelor's in electrical, the job title if you are doing any job, the name of your institution, the place of your institution where it is located, from when you have started, and the completion of your date, issuing date of the certificate. It is mentioned on the certificate. Also the number of the certificate is also mentioned on the certificate or mark sheet or anything, and the type of study, whether you have completed your study either full-time, part-time, or it is a distance learning, whatever you have done. So you just select for this, and the study regular, how much it actually was the time and how much time you require for this. So regular length of study in years, you have completed 4 years bachelor's or 3-year bachelor's or 2 years master, whatever you have just mentioned over here. Then your educational background, mention your secondary school certificate, then date of completion, the state, then degree. All are just you have all the documents when you have submit when you're filling this form, and just type the degree name, the state, and the date. All are mentioned on your certificates. So this is not so difficult. And then you have to check all these according to that it is applicable for you, and then send this form. When you send this form, there is a PDF will appear. You have to download that form, and with this form you have to attach all your educational documents which are mentioned on the list over here, and you have to apply also for the fees and on what address you have to send this. This is also mentioned on here. There is some address also mentioned. You have to find this is the address where you have to send all your documents. So in this way you have to receive your certificate of evaluation, which is more important when you apply for the job. You want a job in Germany directly. If you are not in Germany, you are applying from your home country, or you want to apply for your blue card, then this certificate evaluation is very important. Exception only for the 2 professions which I have mentioned previously, for the medicines and for the teacher. These 2 are the regulatory profession in Germany, and for this you have to need a recognition but not the evaluation. And for this I will make another video in the future and will guide you about how you will acquire recognition in these 2 and other certain professions.